这次神舟18任务的话呢，我们有
For the Shenzhou 18 mission, we have 4 space experiment projects. 3 are about life science, another 1 concerns material science. Life science is a very important part of the space experiments. If you also count experiments relevant to space medicine, almost half of all experiments in space are about life science. The volume and importance of this discipline is obvious, and we look forward to more research results from the China space station.
可能要将近一半了。
For the research object, we've taken tip stem cells from the model plant we chose for this project. The goal of our project is to understand the responses plants have in a microgravity environment. We hope to understand why plants do not adapt well to such environment, what changes they undergo in the adverse conditions, and whether there are any ways to make them adapt. In the long run, we hope to use what we learn to modify plants, to breed plants that are more suited for space conditions. This way, during even longer stays in space, the plants can grow better and even provide food for the astronauts.
Our project on proteins and nucleic acids focuses on the origin of life or the origin of cordons. We want to explore this question. What led to the formation from inorganic small molecules to organic small molecules to large molecules, proteins and nucleic acids with genetic information, to primitive cell membranes, all the way to the emergence of life? How did this happen? Life on Earth originated 3.8 billion years ago. We can go back to that time. We can go back to the primitive state of Earth, but we can simulate that state. Experiments on the space station have provided us with a great environment.
Our experiment is on future-oriented space lubricant materials. Such materials are very important in space exploration. For one, we hope to cut down energy consumption during space trips. For another, such material can reduce friction, wear and tear in mechanics, and prolong our lifespan. There are already several generations of scientists working on lubricant materials for space use. Now, our space experiments hope to develop ultra-low friction super lubricating materials.